Hello friends, welcome back to Graph Theory Lectures. This is our lecture number 6, and in this lecture we are going to cover a theorem and the definition of connected graphs. Okay, so let's start with the theorem. What our theorem says is, in any graph G, sum of degrees of all vertices is even. Okay, so let's prove this. So we will see the sum of all the vertices will be just 2 times all the edges. Okay, so why this will happen? Let G be a graph. We can take any graph that will be a simple graph, or it can be a graph with the multiple edges or loops. Okay, so let G be any graph, then every edge will have 2 endpoints. Right, remember what was the definition of graph, that we have set of vertices, set of edges, and there was a map phi from E to V cross B, such that phi of E equal to AB means that E is an edge and AB are endpoints of E. Right, and now observe a thing, that when we are counting the degree, what are we counting? We are counting the number of edges incidence with A and B. Okay, so what's happening here is every edge is counted twice. Okay, so let's see an example. If we have a triangle, then if we are counting the degree of B, then we are counting this edge E1 in during counting the degree of B, as well as counting the degree of A. So this edge E1 is counted twice. Okay, therefore while we are calculating the sum of all the degrees, it will be just twice the sum of all the edges. Okay, so sigma degree of all the vertices Vi, where Vi belongs to V, will be equal to twice the number of edges. Okay, and we know this number is even, therefore sum of degree of all the vertices is even. Okay, so we are done. Now let's see what are the connected graphs. Let's see the definition. Connected graph. A graph G is said to be connected if there exists a path between any two vertices of G. So recall the definition of path, that it's just a number of sequence, that the vertices can be written in the form of sequence and edges will be in between the two vertices, right? So the connected graph, we will see an example. What are the example of connected graphs and what are the example of disconnected graph? Okay, the graph that is not connected, that is called a disconnected graph. Okay, so let's see A, B, C, D be a graph G. Okay, now we can see if we will pick any two vertices like A and C here, then there is a path between them. Like if I will go from A to B, then B to C, then this is the path. Or I can go from A to D and D to C. This is the path. So we have a path between any two vertices. But if I will take G to be this triangle and this rectangle, okay, so now this whole set is our graph G. Okay, so now we can see here that in this graph G, there is no path in between C to D, right? There is no path in between C to D or C to F or C to E, or just name it G. So there is no path between C to G or A to D, or so this graph is disconnected graph. Okay, why? Because there does not exist any path in between two vertices of G. Means we have the condition that any two vertices of G should contain a path. So if we will see C here and G here, there does not exist any path. Okay, so that's why this graph is disconnected graph. Hope you understand, and thank you for watching.